going to give select one from dual from union, select one from dual. I'll explain you what is dual. Okay, here one is there, here one is there. Tell me guys, what is my result here? If I execute this one, what it will come? So I told union will be, it will combine the data from the two tables data. What will become the output?
Zero, I think 0 rows.
Okay, one answer 0. What is the second answer? Is any other answers? Any other answers? Two records, right? Two records or two number?
Two numbers are one from that table, second. Two records.
Okay. Any other answers? Okay, see. If we execute this one, see what happened? Only single record one it came. Because the union will be, if your same data is available, it won't allow the duplicate data. Example, I am going to give a simple example again. The same table. I am going to take here DEPT number. Okay. Here also I am going to take DEPT number. Okay. Here how many records are there? DEPT number. Total 15 records, 40, 20, 30, 30. Okay. Here how many records are? 6 records are there. 15 plus 6. Actually, earlier we got how many records? 21 records. We combined the two tables data. We got the result 21 records. Okay. Now we'll see if you combine these two data, because all the duplicate data here, repeated data, same data, here and here the same data is there. So it will display only unique records. It won't display the duplicate data. See, only how many records it came? 6 records. 6 unique records is displayed. Clear guys? What is the union purpose? It will combine the data, but it won't allow the duplicate records. Okay. If you use the union all for the same thing, union all. First simple example, we'll go for the union all. Now you can see here, earlier only one record it came for us. Now if I use the union all, see, 1, 1. Means all the data, it will combine the data with including the duplicate data, including the same value data. Okay. It will combine all the data. That is, if we irrespective of the same data or different data, it will combine all the data here. Clear? What in this case what happened guys? Here tell me, what is my output here?
21 rows.
Exactly. See, 21 rows. Okay. Clear guys? What is the difference between now union and union all? Union, it will combine the data from the two query result set, but it won't allow the it won't allow the duplicate data. If your same data is repeated, it will be allowing only one time. Okay. But come to the union all, it will combine the two query result set. This is the one query. This is the one query result set. This is another query result set. Right? These two query result sets is going to combine now. It includes the same data, duplicate data. If is there duplicate data also, it is going to display. That is the union and union all. Any doubts, guys? Here, the mandatory. This is a mandatory question in the interview point of view. Okay, and we are going to use this key in real time. Union and union all and minus. These three frequently we are going to use in the real time. Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
sir, can you repeat this again, sir?
Okay. See, the set operators are the main purpose of the set operators are to combine the two query results, two tables data. Two query results or two tables data both are same. Okay, to combine the two tables data we are going to use for the set operators. Okay, to use the set operators we have to go for some prerequisition conditions should be satisfied. One is the number of columns should be in same. Number of columns should be same from the two tables. And second one is the column data type should be in sync. Okay, column data type should be in sync. So number of columns means whenever we do the select star from, it will come all the columns, right? What are the columns are there in this table? All the columns it is going to fetch. Here also select star from TEPT. So in this table also it fetch the all the columns. Okay. In this time here will be eight columns are there. Here will be 3 columns are there. Okay. So in this case our first condition is not satisfied. Correct. Our first condition should be number of columns should be in same while executing the set operators. Okay. So in this case we can't able to execute the set operator. That is the reason I am going to select the columns. What are the columns are required? Those columns only I am going to selecting here. Here also 8 characters are there. Then we can able to directly execute select star from EMP union, select star from the DEPT. Okay. But in this case the columns are number of columns are different. That is the reason I am going to select only what are the columns for me it's required. Those columns only I selected here. In this case, what is the number of columns here? 3. I selected only 3 columns. Here also I selected only 3 columns. Okay. Or if you can select 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 5 columns, 7 columns, whatever based on your requirement. But number of columns should be in same from the 2 tables. Okay. And also it will combine the tables data, but it won't allow the duplicate data while using the union. The same data is repeated, then it won't display. Same data means all the columns should be in same, guys. For example, here 1 comma 2. Okay, I given 1 comma 2. Here 1 comma 3 I given. Now is the same data. Here 1 2 is there, here 1 3 is there. What are the columns we selected? That particular record, whole record should be in same. Now what is, guys, here execute. See 1 2 1 3 it came the two queries because of the this is a not matching. 2 2 3 2 and 3 are different. 2 and 3 are the different data. That is the reason only 2 records it came. Here also it will be there 2 1 2 1 2 both are the same data. See, only 1 record it came. Based on the combination, whatever the combination you selected, if the same data is available, then it is going to display one time. Means it won't allow the duplicate records from while using the union. Clear?
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
For example, in first table data DAPT number size difference, second table size difference.
Yeah,
That will do.
yeah. See, what is my two conditions? What is going to, it is going to check the query whenever you write the any syntax. Whenever you write the any syntax, it is going to check these two conditions only. First one will be the first table and second table, the columns are same or not,
It's
means
same.
number of columns are same or not.
Okay.
Next, second query, second condition, it is going to check here whatever the column you
Data type.
used, first column, that data type, and the second table also first column data type should be in sync. The corresponding data type should be in sync. The
Okay.
size is not a matter here. Size is not a matter.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. The data type only they are going to check. Clear? For example, here I use the D name again. What happened? This is the number. This is the varchar. String format and number for integer format. So what happened? It will throw the error. See? Same data type as corresponding expression. Expression must have a same data type. Okay? That is the problem. Size is not a issue here. Only data type only is going to check. Clear, guys? Clear what is the difference between the union and union all? Both it's combine the data. Union also is going to combine. Union all also it's going to combine the data. Okay? But union is it will allow only unique records. It won't allow the duplicate data. Union all is going to allow all the data, including duplicates, including same data. That is the difference between the union and union all. Clear, guys? We can use n number of queries, guys, like this. Table 4, table 5, table 5, table 6, like that. Like that. You can combine n number of tables. Okay? Not only two tables. You can combine n number of tables. For example, I am going to use one more table here. Union. But the conditions will be same. 1, 3 from 2 here. Union. I am going to use union all if you want. Now tell me, guys, what is my output? How many records it will come, guys? Based on our explanation, can you guys please think what is my output here? How many records will give the output?
1.
3, sir.
13131, sir. Same.
Okay, just I'm going to write the output.